है मेरे आका, डोसा खाना है? ठीक है, आज मैं अपने तरह का डोसा बनाऊंगी, which is Jini Dosa. Ginnie ka dosa, which is Jini Dosa. So welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and today we are going to make Jini Dosa, and let's make your kitchen your family's favorite restaurant by making this Bombay special street food Jini Dosa. And guys, if you do like my recipes, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and then click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of my new upcoming videos, and it's free, so why wait? Now let's proceed. Okay guys, to make this recipe you're going to need idli dosa batter. Now for this batter recipe you can always look it up. I have already uploaded the video for this batter, so you can get to this stage very easily at home. And next what you're going to need is 2 tablespoons of onion, capsicum, tomatoes, green onion leaves, some cabbage, 1 cube of cheese, half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, Szechuan sauce or Szechuan chutney, about say 1 teaspoon, and about 1 teaspoon of tomato ketchup or tomato sauce, and about half tablespoon of butter. And that is about it. So now let's begin our process. So guys, the start of this dosa is like any other dosa. So take a ladle full of idli dosa batter and put it in the center of a hot dosa griddle, and then going in circular motion spread it and make as large of a circle as you can. Make sure that the flame is on low. Then you take 1 teaspoon of the butter and spread it on top of the dosa. Once spread, add the cabbage, the onions, capsicum, tomatoes, and mix it well. Then let's add the Kashmiri red chili powder and the tomato sauce and mix again. Now I'm going to add the Szechuan sauce or Szechuan chutney and mix it and cook for just 30 seconds. Then let's add the grated cheese and the green onion leaves, and using a potato masher I'm going to press it down. Then using a spoon I'm going to spread this filling all over the dosa and sprinkle some more cheese. And who doesn't like more cheese, right? And now using a sharp knife, I'm going to start cutting the dosa in vertical lines. And then start rolling them. And of course, put them in a plate and garnish with some more cheese. And guys, do serve this dosa with some chutney or some Szechuan sauce. But honestly, this dosa, it's so good by itself that you don't really need anything. And with that saying, I am digging in. You will feel the master of this world if you do make this. Honestly, you don't need a genie to help you out. You can make this Jini Dosa at your home without any hassle. It looks little difficult, little tricky, but it's not. Just give it a try and do let me know what you think about it, and I will see you very, very soon. Meanwhile, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button. Do it right now. And if you like this recipe, you're definitely going to like this one as well as this one. So don't forget to click on these links and do make this, okay? It's really yummy. A very, very unique kind of dosa.